Which of the following represents all the solutions of the following equation? 2x plus 4y equals 12. So my sneaking suspicion is that they want us to use the x and y-intercept. So let's just do that, and I'll do it right here. So we have the equation 2x plus 4y equals 12. Okay, so let's first talk about our x-intercept. Since this is in standard form, this is easy to get. Our x-intercept, that's the first thing. So we have an x-intercept that gives us something where it's x comma 0. So what we're going to do here is we're going to plug in a 0 for y. So we get 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 12. 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 6. So our x-intercept is at 6, 0. So let's talk about our y-intercept now. Our y-intercept is going to be, there's 0 movement, but there's height. So we're going to be plugging in a 0 into our x. So we get 2x plus 4y equals 12. I'm going to plug this in here. So we get 2 times 0 plus 4y equals 12. 4y equals 12 divided by 4. We get y equals 3. So our y-intercept here would be at 0, 3 because we inserted a negative, a 0. So let's look at these charts and see which ones have 6, 0, and 0, 3. So right away we have 6, 0. That's right. Good. 0, 3. Good. That kind of works. 6, 0. 0, 3. That works. 0, 6. Oops, this is definitely out right away because look, it doesn't follow our rules. We have a y-intercept at 0, 6. Doesn't work. Then here, 4, 0. That's right away. So it's either going to be A or B. So we need to do a little bit more investigating because the whole point is to find which one is the better solution. Let's put this in a slope-intercept form to figure out the slope. Whole goal is to get y by itself. So we get right here our equation 2x plus 4y equals 12. We're trying to get y by itself. First step, subtract 2x to both sides. 4y equals 12 minus 2x. We can rearrange that later. Still, that's not isolated. So we divide by 4, both sides. Y is equal to, I'll swap these. So we get negative 2x plus 12 over 4. Well, let's simplify. Since this goes to both terms, we have right here y is equal to 2 and 4 have a GCF of 2, so we divide it by 2. We get negative 1 over 2x, and then 4 divided by, or 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we have that right there. This is the slope-intercept form. So it's moving at a constant rate of negative half. So it's decreasing. So I can see this is decreasing, and I can see right here 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see how this looks. Let's just plug in a number and see if it works for this equation. Let's plug in a 2. Let's plug in these. Let's plug in a 2 and see if we get. Let's plug in a 2 and a 2 and see if we get our answer. Okay. Let's plug it in. You get 2 is equal to negative 1/2 times 2 plus 3. So we should have both sides equal to one another if it has all solutions. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to test that one out next. or if it works. I'm going to test out this point as well, and if that works, then we go from there. 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we get negative 1 plus 3. We get 3. 2 is equal to... Oh, wait a second. Why would we use this chart? Why would we use this chart? Because it wants all. So right away, that's a giveaway, because this set of data is not continuous. We don't have some type of function to represent that's going forever. So the only one that would work here would be B. We can check our work. It has a negative half. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So it does follow the slope. So this would be a better representation of showing all of it. The table is representing solutions, but not all.